So it's my like huge message to all the women out there.
That's
No.
that's right. I can see the emotions in your eyes and makes sense.
There's no other
बातें
option.
बातें पकड़ रहे हैं आप. Hello my beautiful humans, I hope you all are shining, growing and evolving. And every time I say and ask I hope you are shining, it doesn't mean that you have to be happy all the time when you're shining. Shining means you are accepting everything the way it is coming. Shining means if you are going to a low phase, you are dealing it with kindness, with happiness, the same way you are dealing your success with the amount of love and joy and with kindness and with the same happiness. And just like that, I am helping so many humans in my surroundings so that they can shine in most beautiful and authentic way they can. But yes, there are challenges they go through every single day. There are struggles, there are setbacks. In today's video, I am going to discuss the beauty of shining with all the struggle and challenges that a human go through in their daily life. And I am helping this human in so many ways, and more than my help, it is about her dedication and her consistent effort that she puts every day into the work. So let's know from her. Sumita ji,
Hi,
hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you for being the best version of you every single day. And I'm sure it comes with lot of challenges.
Of
It
course
comes
it
with
does.
lot of struggles.
It does.
So how's it going? Like tell me the
Yeah.
entire journey. How it's going?
Well, entire journey, I would say before I met you, I was not in a good place mentally.
Mm-hmm.
And if I say that things have changed around me, no, they have not. But if I say things have changed inside me, a lot,
That's
a lot.
that's right. Makes sense. And it's your effort. It's your dedication. You are putting every day, and I'm really really proud of you. Yes, Sumita ji, as you said, nothing has changed in your surrounding, but you are changing. How exactly? Tell me.
But
What exactly you are doing and how exactly you are winning every day.
uh, it's different every day. There are days I'm so down. I feel like everything is not, nothing is growing, everything is challenging, and I'm facing so many failures.
Mm-hmm.
But then I think about you, the things you've taught me,
Mm-hmm.
and I apply that to my life, and I feel so much better. And I heard from someone that कि आप अगर सारी दुनिया में आप घास तो नहीं बिछा सकते लेकिन आप जूते ले सकते हो उस पर चलने के लिए ताकि आपके पैरों में कांटे नहीं लगे. सो इट्स द सेम वे. आप किसी को सोचो कि आप किसी को बदल दोगे, किसी की नेचर चेंज कर दोगे, उससे लाइफ आपकी
Yeah.
अच्छी हो जाएगी, तो वो नहीं होता. तो इट्स बेटर टू चेंज योर सेल्फ, change your
Yes.
perspective towards this person.
Yes. Yes.
So it helps a lot.
So I think if I understand you correctly, you said rather than changing your surrounding, we should focus on ourselves. We
Focus on
should make ourselves better each and every day in different ways.
definitely.
Wow, this is beautiful. And you are 55, and in the age of 55, you are running a business. You are running your own brand. You registered the name of your brand in the process. It's in the process. So how this thing, you are managing? I'm sure it is very challenging for you.
Of course it
And
is very
how
challenging.
exactly you are winning
Being a woman, it
through
is
it?
more challenging because I have responsibilities of home, of my kids, my family on me, and there are days that I feel like छोड़ो ना, बेकार है, क्या
Yeah.
ही करना है. But then I see no, I have to make something for myself. I really want to make myself proud first of all, that I am achieving something, I am doing something good for the society, for my family. So it gives me so much motivation, and I keep going. I keep going.
एंड आई थिंक बिजनेस जब आप खुद से स्टार्ट करते हैं तो बहुत सारी लर्निंग्स वो आपको देके जाता
Of
है.
course,
सो
every day is
कुछ आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके से आपने लोगों की असलियत पहचानी जब आपने ये काम स्टार्ट किया. कब आपने लोगों की असलियत को जाना जो कहते थे कि मैं आपके लिए खड़ा हूँ या मैं आपके लिए हूँ तू बस कर, लेकिन जब आपने किया तो एवरीबडी सबने अपने हाथ पीछे खींचे. तो कुछ उस बारे में, उस फेज़ को आपने कैसे जीता, कुछ उस बारे में बताइए मुझे.
actually when I started, I had really high hopes from some people, even people in my family who were really happy. Wow, आप ये कर रहे हो, अरे
Yeah.
हम तो ये करेंगे, will help you in this way and that way. एंड व्हेन दे एक्चुअली सॉ मी कि मैं कुछ अचीव करने वाली हूँ, एंड दे वर लाइक कि भाई ये तो सच में कुछ
ये
हो
तो
रहा है,
ये तो हाथ से निकल
हाँ, ये
गई
तो
है.
हाथ से निकल गई. And at the end of the day I came to know नहीं ये मेरे पे ही है, and thank God I have my kids. Both my sons are very helpful. They are with me always. So it makes life a bit like
Yeah.
less difficult and like more helpful. Like
Yeah,
control.
I can see the emotions in your eyes, and I'm sure it was a difficult phase, you know, and you came through all of it, and you know, wherever you are standing today, I see you growing every day, and I see you are struggling every day as well. But
Right.
despite of that, you always keep a smile, and how do you do that basically? So how exactly you are keeping things for yourself? I'm sure it was not there from the beginning.
No, not at
अगर मैं आपकी 6 महीने की पहले की जर्नी की बात करूं और 6 महीने में बात करूं, सो क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस आपको देखने को मिले खुद के अंदर, और कैसे वो एग्जैक्टली आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो?
जो अभी चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, पहले भी वही चैलेंजेस होते थे, लेकिन मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो गया है उसको लेके, तो इट बॉदर्स मी लेस नाउ.
ओके.
अगर देयर आर डेज देयर इज डेड सेल, आई यूज्ड टू बी यार क्या ही किया यहाँ पे आके, कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है, आज तो हम माइनस में चले गए, लॉस में हो रहे हैं. अभी भी ऐसे होता है. देयर आर टाइम्स कि इट्स वेरी डेड डेज, देयर आर लाइक very few people who come to a stall, but still I say it's okay, there's always another day. हम फिर से चांस मिलेगा, फिर से करेंगे, विल ग्रो some other day. आज नहीं तो फिर, क्योंकि जैसे आपने मेरे को बताया कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है ना, you have to shine anyway. There's no other option.
बातें पकड़ रहे हैं आप. आई थिंक दैट्स द राइट वे टू ग्रो, व्हेन यू analyze your words, when you analyze and you are aware about your surrounding, what the guidance you are getting. इस 6 महीने की आपकी हीलिंग जर्नी में क्या एक दो चीज़ें ऐसी रही जो पहले आप नहीं कर पाते थे, लेकिन थ्रू माय गाइडेंस एंड थ्रू योर कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट्स आपने वो अचीव किया, आपने वो जाना और आपने वो समझा कि कैसे करना है?
मेरी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी चैलेंज रही है, आई बीन ए पीपल प्लीजर ऑल माई लाइफ.
ओके.
मुझे सिर्फ यही सिखाया गया, स्पेशली एट आवर एज व्हेन वी वर ग्रोइंग अप, कि नहीं जो भी कोई बोले आगे से यस कर दो, जो भी कोई बोले उसकी बात मान लो. जो अगर तुम जितनी किसी की हेल्प कर सकते हो करो, इवन इफ एट्स योर ओन कॉस्ट ऑफ योर ओन हैप्पीनेस. तो आई बीन डूइंग दिस ऑल माई लाइफ. ठीक है, उसके चक्कर में मैंने अपने आप को, जैसे होता है ना जीरो कर देता है कोई अपने आप को, कि ठीक है मेरा क्या है,
सेल्फ वर्थ आप नहीं समझ पाए
अपनी
अपनी.
नहीं. तो अगर आप अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ खुद नहीं समझते हो तो कोई तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं समझेगा.
Exactly, that is
So it's my like huge message to all the women out there especially, कि please start taking a stand for yourself. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कोई काम तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, तुमसे ज़बरदस्ती करवाया जा रहा है, तो प्लीज़ मत करो. डोंट से येस.
ना बोलना सीखें.
ना बोलना सीखो.
आई थिंक ये वो कहना चाह रही हैं कि
हाँ,
ना बोलना सीखें.
एग्जैक्टली.
क्योंकि
ये एक
सॉरी आई एम इंटरप्टिंग एंड एडिंग,
नो इट्स ओके,
कि हमेशा स्त्रियों को अक्सर खासकर ये बोलना सिखाया जाता है कि सबके लिए सेवा करनी है, सबको करना है, सबके लिए हाँ बोलना है.
द इमोशनल थिंग, लाइक अगर कोई फैमिली में जो भी जितनी भी एक एटमॉस्फेयर होता है घर का, कि वो आपने मेंटेन करना है.
Exactly, it's your responsibility.
You are responsible for everyone.
But who is responsible for me? Exactly, who is responsible for you?
Of course.
And we are responsible for ourselves, not anybody. And that is the reason you should create healthy boundaries. That is the reason you should
very
say
important.
no sometimes. So
Learn to say no, ladies.
Yes.
Learn to say no.
This
It's
is really
very
important.
difficult, but it's very important.
So I think this is it, and I'm really glad that you are learning, adding, and growing every day. And I'm really grateful and proud of you. And I don't know, I think who's the last person said this to you, but I'm gonna say it again, that this word is beautiful because you exist in it, and because we exist in it. Yes, and I am grateful for my existence, your existence, and this entire existence. And I'm really glad that you are improving every day, you are glowing every day, you are shining every day. And humans, that's what I mean when I say shine. That's what I mean when I ask, I hope you are shining, glowing, and evolving. So next time, whenever you get the chance to say no, just say no and take a stand for yourself. Say yes to yourself, and that's the key, and that's the way. And I'm proud of you all, and I love you all. Love and peace.